Laundry sorting made simple, efficient, and hygienic. With our solutions for transport, storage, and sorting, everyday operations run smoothly and effortlessly. SorTexx Flex ensures reliable, error-free laundry sorting, especially during sorting and transport. Accurate labeling and reliable identification via RFID, barcode, or data matrix. Every garment is continuously traceable, delivering maximum transparency. Every movement is perfectly executed. Visual and acoustic signals guide operators reliably through the process. Fast, precise, and 100% error-free. Small or large, used individually or as part of a system. Wireless technology allows every workstation to be positioned flexibly, right where it's required. Integration is as easy as it gets, compatible with existing shelving, requiring minimal installation, delivering maximum value. Everything fits together perfectly. Processes improve noticeably. The entire workflow is optimized, running up to 30% faster and completely error-free. Clear cues offer maximum safety, guiding employees intuitively through the process for simple handling and perfectly smooth processes. More safety creates more peace of mind. Residents receive their personal garments reliably, with zero risk of confusion. Each facility is different. That is why we offer individual solutions, a full range of colors, custom-made options, and a flexible, modular design. SorTexx Flex, efficient laundry sorting, today and in the future.